guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another video. But before we get into this video, I want to give a shout out to Kimo Farley on YouTube. Go over to his YouTube channel, subscribe, show him some love, tell him say Andrew send you. Before me even say nothing, because people ask me, so let me answer. When I'm giving a shout out, I normally go to the personal YouTube page and watch some of the videos. If I don't watch all of them, I watch one good 6 out of them. So anything when I have knowledge about and me say want change one for them channel, I'll tell them to, like, fix up that or give me a longer video, something. I tell them. So I normally just watch it. From what me see, he's doing very good. It look like him post every week. Yeah, him recently start YouTube. I say for now, it's basically entertainment purposes. So I'm gonna give him a prank challenges and stuff because him have challenges with him sister. But further down, when him channel blow up, him gonna help back people from him country and stuff like that, which is a good thing. I love them stuff there. So guys, help him to reach at least 1K, help him to grow. It not cost nothing to subscribe, so just go over there, subscribe to his channel, and just look what him have in store. Me watch out all them video them, because as me say, him just start and him only have, I think it's 5 or 4. Yeah, because I say 4 weeks and him post every week. So yeah, him just start. Me watch out all of the video them and just go show him some love. The link to his YouTube channel is gonna be in my description box, and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. So just click it, go over there, show him love, and tell him say Andrew send you. Alright, so let's get into this video. This video is basically me. I don't even know how to put it. Whew. So basically, I'm gonna apologize to like my friends and family member them. Yeah, I'm not okay. Let me just start out like that. I'm not okay, but I'm a very strong person. Well, if you cry too much, that means you're still strong, because it all depends on the reason why you cry for still. Because me not cry because me weak. Me cry because, listen, me need to just cry, and when me I cry, just allow me to cry, because me need a cry there and nothing else like a good cry. That's how me look for stuff, and when you cry, it help you to do certain stuff, right? But if you can't relate, just comment below. Just give me the comments. Let me just comment. I just want to know what I think. I want to know if I'm me alone I go through this. I just want to know. So I'm not okay, and it's like me not being okay. I don't know if me a push off people where they're on me. I don't know. And it's a bother me now, because it's like when me I go through, I can't tell it to anybody. It's like me I just try to like make it make sense now in another video here. It's like it's inside, and I know what me think nobody can help me with. I mean, I can give me the best advice, but it's like it's up to me. Inside, I don't know how to put it together. I don't know how to tell nobody. I don't know how to just explain the whole feeling to nobody. I don't know if because I have certain stuff in me so long and I don't let it out. It's like it just starts to affect me inside. So it's like everything I blame myself, and I say, gosh, I'm my fault. Like, I just my fault. And people around me were thin skin, and una thin skin have feelings, and I can't go around it. People have feelings, and I don't know if them probably start to think say, yo, Andrew have a problem with me, or so I just telling her, say, listen, if you're my friend or my family member and you feel some type of way when you see me just isolate myself, or you see me sad, but when you ask me what do I say, me no know or me can't explain it, just believe me. Me no have no problem with you. Me no have no problem none at all with you, and me feel like say this are the best way for like explain it, because me making a YouTube video is like it feel good, it relax me. And I'm not gonna just get up and text everybody like that, because it's like a big conversation, a lead on, and I find out say most people will not communicate with me anymore, or when I normally love communicate, because you have persons when genuinely just not text, not call, not do nothing. You see them on social media but they don't call, and nothing wrong with that. Just them the people they still living, and it's okay, it's okay. But me know someone always over my YouTube channel and I watch my videos, whether I want to comment or no comment, it no matter what I want to do, but after observing, I realize say, oh no, they over here. Yeah? Let me just explain. I'm very sorry, and I'm not have you up. I don't feel no type of way towards you. It's like I don't have no negative vibes towards you. It's just that it's me, it's my fault, and you know when you're just not alright, but you're not trying to hurt nobody else's feelings. That are me. Me not try to hurt nobody else's feeling, none at all. Like we not alright now, and I'll still put a smile on your face, and me just want you to be alright, and me think that's my biggest problem. You know, that's my biggest problem. Suppress my happiness for like make other people happy, but at the end of the day, me still can't cuss nor blame nobody, because my problem and my problem. I just can't put my feelings in a word for like explain it to nobody, because each time I feel hurt, whether by a friend, a family member, it don't matter what kind of hurt. It's like me just try for like just sweep it under the mat, because me used to have anger problem. Like me used to have anger problem, and you know, me just like each time I feel like me I get angry, I just cry. And I just cry it out, and then I find out so when I cry, people feel like, yo, me I try to emotionally blackmail them, or you know, me I cry to make them feel bad and stuff like that, and that is not the case. That was never the case. I cry because it helped me. It really helped me. And if that happened to you, please comment below, because I don't want to feel like say it's me alone. Because if I'm me alone, I really have a problem. See it there? That what me just do, that me keep on a do. Like that me keep on a do, me keep on a say, alright, I'm me, me need to go work for myself. Me need to do something. Like, Andra, you're the problem. Like, get yourself together and figure it out. And then when me go there, me I say, so what exactly? What, like when me I try to put it together for like that video here now make no sense. Me I overthink. Me feel like the problem is me I overthink. You know? I don't know, me feel like my brain I work extra. Like it a work too much. And me can't help it. Like me can't help it. It no matter if people that normally say, do something what you love, go to the beach, eat your favorite food, do this, do that, exercise. It just now work, my brain still a overthink. And that's my problem. I mean, I don't know if I worry about the wrong set of things them, but at the end of the day, I have to worry about them. Because if I don't worry about them, I still have it to deal with somewhere down the line. And you know, sometimes they would think and I say, me hard for myself. That's I want. So probably that's why me even go through this, because like anytime me and nobody in an argument and stuff like that, I'll defend myself because nobody can bully me. Like after me sit down and I say, I me even cause that? Like, you know, me we just sit down and I think and I say, I me cause that? What me did do? You know, but me we still defend myself in the situation, and me we apologize if me have to apologize. You know, but like, you know, sometimes you say to yourself, people out there got you worse than you, so just get yourself together. But at the same time, your problem are your problem. Because enough time me I say, no Andra, people are got you worse. Come, get yourself together. Brush off your shoulder and let's go, Andra. But then me I say, but my problem are my problem. It no matter if people are got you worse. I mean, me care about for them situation, but at the same time, that's my problem. And my problem, and me have it to deal with, and it affect me. And me just don't know, me probably overthink. But me just don't want nobody. If me treat you, if you ever see me a text you, or you ever come round me and me just look grumpy, well, that rarely happen. That rarely happen. But if you come, wait, it don't really happen. If you come around me and I do something, we keep focus. Like, focus different from it. When I focus, you know some focus. If I do something you try to waste my time, then you're not gonna get no energy from me. But other than that, if you come around me and you just see me just don't inner it, like me just look sad and stuff like that, please understand, say me just can't put the words them together for even explain, for tell somebody how me feel. It's like it's an inner problem. Me have to deal with it. Me have to solve it. A whole lot of stuff will happen. And guys, please don't comment and talk about relationship, because really and truly I don't have any relationship problem. Jason really has support me through anything. If him see me look sad, him we come there, sometimes I nyam off him head. Well, when I nyam off him head, but sometimes I just get aggressive, but him really like comfort me, and I appreciate that. So when people have problem, the first thing I'm quick to say, oh, a relationship problem. No, I not always relationship problem. I only need to stop that. I really need to stop that. This is just me trying to, like, you know, get myself together mentally, emotionally. I just need the people them where they're around me for just support me through this. Just understand, say, even if I not message you, I still love you. I not have you up. If you are somebody who overthink or used to overthink, just comment below and tell me what you use to, like, take on the mind off of certain stuff, because really and truly nothing really not helps me. Me overthink. Like, me just always overthink, and I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's like me I think about my life, me I think about other people. And if you know me, you know, say, if me and your friend or my family member, you know, say anything will bother you, bother me. Really. And 2020, I just not here. I don't want to cancel it, because why you don't even cancel the year where, you know, I teach you, will wake you up, make you know say certain stuff possible. You know, you don't want to cancel it, but at the same time, 2020 just and I feel like, say, I put people problem on my head a lot. And if it a bother you, it a gonna start bother me once you tell me. You know, I just say people when me close to, stuff just a happen to them, and it's like you wish I could have helped some more, but it's just not possible. And then you can't help it, but you can't help but to just carry some of the burden with them. And sometimes them burden they're really not good, but at the same time, if you love somebody, you just love them. And yes, people like we still living. I know some people are gonna say, no, I can't make nobody problem stress me out, and I'm my business, I'm in a business with it. If I say you feel about anybody's situation, then fine, I say you feel. But with me, like, the mere stuff I just need for, like, you know, I don't want to stop do, but I just want can control it. You know, I just want to control certain stuff better, and that's why I say certain stuff I just can't explain. I just can't explain. I can't put it together for tell nobody. It's like it's a problem inside where you need to take care of. People can help you by giving you advice, but the solution to my problem really and truly not gonna come from nothing when nobody have to tell me. It's me, it's how I look at life, it's how I look on different situations what happen around me. I can't always go to Jason to go complain about them stuff here. The funniest thing, normally when I go through stuff, Jason me complain to really. Like me we complain to him, no matter the situation, he'll definitely listen. And even if him not listen, you know, just have him there by my side, I play with him ears, you know, just for talk to him. But I can't always do that. can always do that. And me, I'm considerate. And all of them adjective there would describe me. It's like all of them together just don't mesh. Them not work out. And sometimes really you just surround yourself with the wrong set of people them. But it's like, I don't know if the video here makes sense to nobody really. But as I say, I am not okay. Get in there though, get in there. I just need to stop overthink and comment below as I say and tell me what to do. I think when you're strong, or you know, people assume say you do well. They don't ask you if you're alright, they don't ask you if you're okay. You know, people don't ask them questions again, or unless me ask it, then they'll ask the question. And that is something when I normally ask people, like really, I normally ask them, I say, you're good? You're alright? Well, me always say, you're alright. If you know me, you know every time I message somebody, I say, you're alright? I always ask people if them alright. And if you watch this, just check up for your strong friend, you know. But there's a lot of stuff that I could say no, but you know, I just rather just sweep it under the rug, and there you go. That's my problem. That's my problem. I sweep everything under the rug. So guys, Jason just wake. This is literally the morning after I do the video there. Well, I do the part of the video there. And I don't know if it makes sense. I still gonna post it. But somebody we put it together and try to understand where I come from. But then I just want to thanks. Thanks for always support me.